Subscribe to our channel. 30 inches, storage, Ottoman bench, by YOUDENOVA. Review. Are you looking for versatile storage box to help reduce mess and provide ample storage space for organizing toys, sheets, pillows, blankets or magazines neatly? Versatile storage box by YOUDENOVA is ideal for organizing toys, sheets, pillows, blankets, and magazines, or as an extra seat and footrest whenever needed. Why choose 30 inches storage Ottoman bench by YOUDENOVA? Extra storage in the bedroom or any part of the house really is a definite necessity when given the option. When it comes to the end of the bed storage benches, for example, it's the perfect place to store linens, pillows, throw pillows, or even shoes. This helps keep things tidy and get some of the smaller bedroom items out of the way, which prevents clutter. We've compiled a review of the 30 inches storage Ottoman bench by YOUDENOVA that you can buy online right now. And here we go over some of the basic features of YOUDENOVA 30 inches foldable storage Ottoman bench. This storage Ottoman bench can hold up to 80 liters of storage space. This would be the perfect bedroom accessory for the end of the bed, and it can also double as a storage seat, which supports up to 350 pounds. The linen fabric covering at the top and around the sides of this storage bench makes it posh and impressive to look at. This storage bench can also be used as a shoe bench, a footstool, or a console table. This is easy to set up, a storage chest that can be up and working in less than 1 minute. 30 inches storage Ottoman bench by YOUDENOVA. Pros and cons. Pros: versatile for multiple uses. Great for smaller spaces. Foldable, great for easy storage. Affordable price. Super easy to assemble and very sturdy. Faux linen fabric for a sophisticated look. Can hold up to 350 pounds. Nice functional and decorative piece. 1-year warranty service. Cons: may feel too thin for some. Not sturdy enough. Cardboard box that looks cheap. YOUDENOVA 30 inches storage Ottoman bench by features. Easy to assemble, 9.9. Storage capacity, 9.8. Durability, 9.7. Sturdiness, 9.7. Value for money, 9.7. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. 80-liter storage space. This hidden storage helps reduce mess. The large box provides ample storage space for organizing toys, sheets, pillows, blankets or magazines neatly. Also, can be used as a comfortable, cushioned extra seat and footrest whenever needed. Can be folded flat when not in use. Sturdy and comfortable, crafted with high-quality MDF, high-end, imitation linen fabric, and sponge padding, brings great seating experience, practically used as a shoe bench, footstool, and console table. Available in 3 colors, blue, beige, and gray. Seconds to assemble. The storage chest can be easy set up and assemble in 1 minute. It is suitable for living room, bedroom, entryway, lounge, and more. You can easily fold it flat when not in use and keep it behind the door to save space. Excellent for small spaces. When set up, the storage chest measures 30 by 15 by 15 inches and only 30 by 15 by 2 inches when folded, with a weight of 9 pounds. Max weight capacity is 350 pounds. Material: linen fabric, with MDF board. 1-year warranty service. If for any reason you're not completely happy with your purchase, please reach out YOUDENOVA service, and they promise to resolve any issue and ensure your satisfaction. Based on over 9,620 customer reviews and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Storage Ottoman bench by YOUDENOVA is easy to set up and versatile to use as a storage box or as an extra high cushion seat and footrest whenever needed. That can be folded flat when not in use for easy storage. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. I love it. Beyond impressed with the quality of this. Well worth it for such a great price. Holds children's toys perfectly, says Emma. 5 stars. Great. Honestly, I've been wanting to change up my room a lot recently, and I really needed an ottoman for some storage. This is perfect for my room size, and it matches the style I have in mind. If you're willing to get one, just do it. You won't be disappointed. Says, Anita, P. 5 stars. Sturdy and comfy. I live in a small apartment, so I like having hidden storage wherever I can. I also like putting my feet up when I watch TV at night. This is the perfect piece of inexpensive furniture and stylish decor that fits both of those needs. It's sturdy enough for me to sit on, but I don't really use it for that purpose. I hide away some electronic equipment that I want to keep handy, yet contained. It's super functional, and that's why I love it. Says, Jessica. 3 stars. Nice functional and decorative piece. It looks great in person. My 8-year-old daughter curls up on it with her tablet when I'm not using it. Guests love to sit on it, but I haven't tried standing on it yet. I'm planning on buying another cube shape for my bedroom. Very happy with my purchase. Update. Although it still looks great, the Ottoman has broken down so much, it feels like it made of a good quality cardboard. Says, LAMCD. 1 star. Quality. Bought this for my daughter for college, and she called me the other day and said was broken. Didn't even last her 2 weeks, and is already broken. Seemed pretty sturdy when purchased, but did not make it long. Says, Nicole. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.